Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Kärcher WV6 Plus, a 2-in-1 electric window vacuum squeegee that makes cleaning showers, mirrors, glass, and countertops a breeze. This sleek, white device boasts a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offering an impressive 100 minutes of cordless freedom, so you can tackle all your cleaning tasks without interruption. Simply mist the surface with the included spray bottle, wipe away dirt with the microfiber pad, and finish by vacuuming up the dirty solution, ensuring no streaks or drips are left behind. The Kärcher WV6 Plus cleans 3 times faster than traditional methods, making it ideal for smooth surfaces like windows, tiles, and countertops. This complete cleaning system includes everything you need: the WV6 Plus, a spray bottle, a machine-washable microfiber pad, a 16.9 ounces concentrated cleaner, and a charging cable. Thanks to its innovative blade technology, you can clean from top to bottom edges effortlessly, while the built-in vacuum collects dirty water into a reservoir as you go. Experience the Kärcher Promise of cleaner, quicker results and transform your cleaning routine with this outstanding multi-surface cleaner. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.